Hey everybody, CRMediaGal here, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm actually going to be sharing my results from Ancestry DNA. Back in December 2017, my dad actually got me an Ancestry DNA kit for Christmas. It was something that we've talked about off and on for a while, wanting to do. I was totally shocked though when he actually got this for me. I thought it was really sweet. The reason it's taken me so long to get these results is because it took me about 2 to 3 months before I finally got around to doing the DNA kit sample, which honestly doesn't take long at all. It maybe takes 5 minutes, if that. The first time around, I actually had a problem. You give them a mixture of saliva mixed with this solution that they provide, and some of the solution had leaked out, so I was a little bit suspicious that I might have to redo it. And sure enough, I did. They sent me another DNA kit, no charge, no shipping fee. I just recently got the email from them that I finally got my DNA results, and so I thought I would share them with you guys. I have logged into my account, but I have not peeked at it yet, so this is gonna be my initial reaction to my results. And this is either gonna be very predictable, and everything that I hear is gonna be what I've always known to be the truth about my family history, or hopefully there might be some surprises in this. I have always been under the impression from my family that my mother's side of the family is Scandinavian and that my dad's side of the family is German. And there's some old school county Pennsylvania Dutch in there too, apparently. So to start with, you get this DNA kit, Ancestry DNA on the front, and then you get these instructions how to log into Ancestry DNA to create your account, all the different steps that you gotta take. It's a little bit nasty, but you provide some saliva up to a certain amount in this little file that you get, and then you mix it with the solution, and then you just send it in a mailbox that is provided by Ancestry DNA. So it's really, really easy. And unlike me, you probably won't have any issues. I always seem to have issues, but it's okay. I got my results. I got my coffee. I got my computer. Still haven't looked, so let's get into this and see what it says. I'm so excited. Let's go to Andrea Weaver DNA, view full results. Okay, so the first thing that comes up is a map, and there's a list down the side that tells me the percentage of what my ancestry consists of. I am 61% Scandinavian, which I did suspect. I have 13% Ireland, Scottish, and Wales in me, though. That's kind of cool. 10% Europe South. What does that mean? Italy, Croatia, Serbia, Greece, Malta. 9% Iberian Peninsula, primarily Spain ethnicity. 5% Great Britain. And then migrations to Pennsylvania, Ohio, and Indiana. Okay, so it also gives you a bunch of information on what some of your ancestors, where they might have settled, what was going on at the time, based on these different dates at the bottom of the map. Mine started with ethnicity, and then it goes from 1700 up to 1925. Okay, so it looks like back in the 1700s, a lot of my ancestors came from Germany, some from the UK as well, over to Pennsylvania. 1750, kidnappings and war? What does that mean? Immigration from Europe slowed to a trickle as the American colonies became engulfed in the French and Indian War. Pennsylvania was heavily impacted by the conflict. Pioneers used new roads to move troops and supplies for the war further west. Whether they went, the Pennsylvania Dutch left their mark. From the German, they spoke to the iconic two-story barns they built. Pennsylvania Dutch, as I said, does run in my family, so that's interesting. So in conclusion, I think this was well worth it. It's really interesting to see the breakdown of your ethnicity, for one, and the percentage, but also the various dates that they give you and just a general overview of how your ancestors came over and where they might have settled. I wasn't expecting that as part of this DNA result. I do wish there was a little more in-depth information about the breakdown of your ethnicity. It's sort of very generic. I know you can do different levels of Ancestry DNA. You can pay for more in-depth information about your background. There were definitely some surprises in here. I seem to have no German ancestry, which is really interesting. I'm really surprised by the fact that I have Irish, Scottish, and Wales in me. That's really, really cool. I was not expecting that. And even Iberian Peninsula too, 9%. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this basic overview of Ancestry DNA and how it works. Feel free to comment down below and let me know if you have gone through with this and what your results were. I hope you will also click that subscribe button so you get future videos from me and future notifications. I would love to have you as a subscriber. Please do give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, because it really supports my channel and helps me a lot. I will see you next time, guys. Bye.